Bitcoin's price is currently pumping towards the upside, and at $62,000 level, a huge pump. And what is the main reason behind it? Am I still holding to Bitcoin? What happened to my short position trade? Each and everything I will discuss in today's video. So let's get straight to the point. So first of all, the price of Bitcoin is currently at $62,000, and let me break down my two. I hope you all remember I took my first long position somewhat over here, and then I also took a short position. Well, I took a long position because I already mentioned that it is a kind of a fake out, and there are chances that price of Bitcoin can again reverse towards the upside. And I took this position at approx $57,000, not $55,000, somewhat over here. Right here I took this long position, and you can currently see I told you all that this was my first take profit at $59,000. My main take profit was this level at $60,000, and I told you all that I will still hold on to my position even if this trade hits my take profit. Obviously I will book some profits, and rest of them I will keep them running, and I will just trail my stop loss. That's what I'm doing currently. My stop loss is not over here, it is way above break even point. Wait a second, what happened? Okay, so currently my stop loss is way above break even point right now. So for now my stop loss is somewhat over here at approx $57,000. This is where my stop loss is right now. Okay, so even if this trade goes against me, reverses back from here, I will still end up in profits only. And what happened to my short trade? Well, in the last video I already informed you guys that I'm entering in a short position on Bitcoin because there are chances it can see a small, very tiny small momentum of bearishness towards the downside. However, this trade occurred in a loss, and it's okay because I already informed you that this is a very small trade with proper and very tight risk and money management. As you can clearly see, my stop loss was very short because I knew that this trade, either there will be a huge dump or there will be a no dump at all. That's why this is a small trade, and it's okay even if I lost, because any money that I lost here is already I recovered and made extra profits in this trade right here. So even this trade occurs in a loss, it's okay. I already informed you it is a very high risky trade, a very small, I would say, scalp or intraday trade, and it's okay, not an issue, because I'll just remove it from here right now because I'm focusing on this trade right here, which is a kind of a swing trade. And you can clearly see I'm holding this trade for more than a week now, and currently it is in profits and pumping towards the upside. So what is my next target for the price of Bitcoin? Well, first of all, let me tell you why this pump happened. So Donald Trump recently was shot at the time of his speech in public, and obviously he was not much injured, but his ear was damaged, and I mean, he just got recovered from it, and I hope you already saw the news, and that's why the price of Bitcoin pumped, because Donald Trump was shot. However, he still stand out in the crowd and his fans supported him. That's why the price of Bitcoin pumped, and I'm very grateful that he did not die, or like any serious situation happened, or else it would be very bad for the America and obviously for the crypto space, because Donald Trump supports Bitcoin, and recently in future he will be joining in a Bitcoin conference also. So let's see how this goes. I'm sure the price of Bitcoin will pump, and if the elections that are going to be happening in the fourth quarter of this year, if Donald Trump wins those elections, then obviously it will be very bullish for crypto, overall crypto and Bitcoin also, because he is a guy that is very supportive in nature for Bitcoin, and yeah, he's very, I would say in crypto terms, he's very bullish for Bitcoin and the whole crypto technology. So let's see what happens. This is the reason why the price of Bitcoin pumped towards the upside in the last few days. Now I will tell you my next target for my long position trade, because obviously we entered over here. Currently it is in profits, and first of all, I hope you learned from this trade. I am not giving any calls here or any tips or any signals. I am here to provide you guys with knowledge. Learn from my videos. Do not take any entry. Do your own analysis and then only take a trade. Don't listen to me or any other YouTuber. Do your own analysis and take a trade any way you like. Okay, that's what I teach you guys. And these trade updates right here are also bits of knowledge only, that how I manage my trade, how I manage my losing trade, how I manage my winning trade. So do learn from them. So currently the price of Bitcoin is at $62,600, and well, obviously my next target is all the way up till here. This whole purple resistance zone is the next target for the price of Bitcoin at $65,000 to $69,000 approx, because I hope you all know price of Bitcoin was kind of in a sideways range, and as I told you all, it did a fake out. It trapped all the high leverage long position buyers that thought that the price of Bitcoin will pump from here. No, it dumped, it liquidated all of them and then pumped towards the upside, as I already told you all. And now the price is again inside this sideways range, so there are chances it can again go to this purple zone, and in the future in this white resistance zone also, which is from $71,000 to $73,000. But as of now, the main price action and the main target I am expecting is $65,000. Why? Because this whole zone will act as a very important resistance for the price of Bitcoin. I already told you the levels. So the price of Bitcoin can go anywhere from this zone, like it can go to 65,000 or it can go to 66, 67, 68. Inside this zone the price can go till anywhere, but obviously my third take profit, like the main level, will be at $65,000, and obviously I will not sell or exit my long position. I will just wait. Okay, also you will notice that if I turn on the volume is very high. Also you can clearly see for the last 4 days the price is pumping incessantly. One green candle, then another big one, another big one, another big one. This means that buyers are now for the last 4 days are very aggressive. I mean, there is a huge volume from buyers, and in the next few days we can see some buyers losing momentum, maybe some sell-off or sideways market, because obviously the price did a breakout of this whole important resistance and support zone and again entered here in this main sideways channel. The price entered again. So there are chances, and usually you know that if any price does a breakout of its resistance, it comes down for a retest and then continues to pump towards the upside. Same will happen here also. It did a breakout of this resistance right here, so there are chances that the price of Bitcoin can come down for a retest and then again continue towards the upside. So yeah, there are chances that price can come down till $60,000 or maybe till $58,000 also. Why? Because this, as I said again, this whole zone is a very important support zone. So basically zone means that this whole zone is a support zone. So the price of Bitcoin can get support from anywhere, from $60,000 to $58,000. It can get from anywhere. Okay, so this is what I am saying, that take it as a normal level only, but it is broad. Okay, I hope you understand now. So that's what I'm expecting, that in the next few days there can be chances that the price of Bitcoin can see some rejection towards the downside because of retesting it, the main support and resistance zone, and then again it can continue towards the upside to pump. Okay, and yes, obviously there very small little chances, but yes, there are also chances that the price can continue towards the upside and can go all the way up till $65,000, $66,000, $67,000. However, obviously any price you take, not only crypto but you take forex, stocks or any other price, none of the assets price pump in a straight line. They always pump and then they retest and then they continue, or maybe change of trend. So let's see. So the best thing in short is, if you are holding on to this position, then it's better to hold only. hold and hold and hold. Okay, and it's better to take your stop loss and put it above your entry price. So if your entry price is here, place your stop loss somewhat over here or here. So even if this trade goes against you, it reverses, still either you will exit in profits, and or you will just hold on to this trade when it pumps again towards the upside. So this is the by far the best strategy that mostly every trader uses, and basically now this trade is 100% profits and risk free trade. Okay, so this is how you manage your trades, and this is how you do the perfect analysis. Again, I'm saying this is not any financial advice or anything. Do your own analysis, make your own strategies, practice on them. Okay, do not listen to anyone blindly and just put all your money in, because we all are doing analysis here and taking our personal trades and sharing with you guys only. So I hope you understand now. Okay, so guys, this is it for today's video. It was a full video on Bitcoin only, what happened in the past few days, what happened to my trades, and in the future what I am expecting, and how I am managing my long position trade and also short position trade. So I hope you understand it. Main focus is currently on Bitcoin only, not any other altcoins right now. And if you look at the charts, every other altcoin is also pumping right now, because obviously Bitcoin is pumping. So yeah, this is it. And if you want to trade Bitcoin or buy Bitcoin, you can do that on Bybit. Link is in the description. It is a referral link. If you want to support me, you can do it, or else you can just go on Google and type bybit.com or any other crypto exchange you want to use. And I hope you learned from this video. See you guys next time. Thank you for watching.